Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today we will start with exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. To do sums, to calculate, to convert the time from 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, and from 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock, you have to watch the video that I have sent you in the last class. How to convert the time from 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock. So you have to see that, you have to go through that. So let us begin with the exercise. Question number 1a. In first question they have said convert each of the following to 24 hours clock. So they have given you 12 hours clock. Whenever they gave you AM or PM or midnight or noon, that means they are actually giving you the time according to your 12 hours clock, and you have to convert that into 24 hours clock. How will you convert? Let us see. Suppose let us take one example. 3:30 AM. Now you write the same time whatever they give you, and in the next line you will see what measurement can you see? You have seen AM. AM means when a clock is there. This is 12, 6, 3, 9. So when a clock rotates, the time starts at midnight. So the hour hand has to rotate full one rotation. This first rotation is AM, and then again second rotation is known as PM. So first rotation, that means it did not complete 12 hours. So if you see AM, you will simply add 0, 0 and 0, 3, 3, 0. You will write this 0, 3, 0, 3, and the unit of 24 hours clock is hours. You will always have to write whatever the time, along with that you have to write hours. So I hope you have understood. So children, make sure you don't have to do this. This is only for you to explain, but you have to follow this process of doing it. Now suppose they give you one more. Suppose if it is number B, 11:30 PM. Suppose if they give you 11:30 PM, then what will you do? Now you will write the same time. For PM means it has already covered first 12 hours, and then it is going to it is rotating the second time. So for PM you will add 1200. For AM you will add 0, 0. For PM you will add 1200. So 0, 3, 3, 2. So you will write 2, 3, 0, 0, and then you will write hours. 2, 3, 3, 0, and then hours. This is your from 12 hours to 24 hours. There are few exceptions. What are the exceptions? I will show you. Suppose in the hour hand they always give you 12. Like for example number D, 12:15 AM. If they give you this, if in the hour hand you see 12, in the hour hand if you see 12, no matter if it is AM, it is PM, it is noon, it is midnight, whatever it is, if you see 12 in the hour place, you will always zero, no matter if it is AM or PM or noon or midnight, whatever it is, you will add only 0, 0. So this sum becomes this with 0, 0 here. So you will add 5, 1, 2, 1. So you will write here 1215 hours. So this is what you have to write. So whatever it is, AM, PM, noon, midnight, if they ask you to convert from 12 hours to 24 hours, you will add 0, 0. It's very simple, and whatever after addition you will write hours. Now let us come to question number 2. In question number 2, they have given you time according to 24 hours clock, and they have asked you to convert that into 12 hours clock. So let me show you one example. Suppose question number 2D, 11:55 hours. Whenever you see these hours, that means they have given you the time according to 24 hours clock. If they give you AM or PM or noon or midnight, that means they have given you time according to 12 hours clock. Now this, whenever you see, if you see that the number, if you see the number is more than 1300, if you see the hours whatever they give you according to 24 hours clock, if it is more than 1300, then you will subtract, otherwise you will not subtract. If it is more than 1300, you will subtract 1200. If it is not more than 1300, you will subtract 00. So in this case, it is not more than 1300, so you will subtract 00 hours 00 minute. Why? The first two is your hour hand, the second two is your minute. So you will subtract here 5 5 1 1. So you will write here 11 semicolon 55. How much you have subtracted? You have subtracted 00. So you will write here AM. If you would have subtracted 1200, then you would have written PM. Like for example, let me show you question number C. In question number C, 1325, and they have given you hours. So you will write 1325 minus 1200. So 5210. So you will write here 01 hour, that means 1 o'clock 25 minutes. So you have subtracted 1200, so you will write PM. If you subtract 00, you will write AM. If you subtract 1200, you will write PM. I hope you have understood. Okay. Now here also you have some exceptions. No matter if it is 0, whenever you find see, suppose they give you one time, suppose say 1245 hours. Here you can simply subtract 1200, but I said if it has to be more than 1300, either 1300 or more than 1300, then only you can subtract. Whenever you see in the hour hand, if it is 00 hours or 00 or 1200, you will subtract only 0. 45 minus 00 hours 00. So you will write here 5 4 2 1. So the answer is 12:45. Here AM or PM. See, if it is in the night, if the time starts, if it is night, they will write here 00. They will not give you 12. If they give you 12, they will write directly. They will write midnight. If they don't mention you midnight, that means they will. If it is in the night, they will write in place of this 12, they will give you 00 and then 45. This is in the night. And if it is in the daytime, they will give you 12 in the hour place. So you will write here PM. If suppose in place of 12, they would have written 00, then this would have been AM. I hope you have understood, children. So please complete question number 1, 2 and 3 in the copy following the process that I have explained. So children, please complete this. In the next class, we will continue with exercise 11.5 and 11.6. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.